Sunday, March 29th. Oh, 28th. It is March 28th, and I'm up at 6 o'clock in the morning about to work on a prom gown for one of my clients. The pin right here. It's gonna go around. It's gonna be like a Cinderella love bag. So, but yeah. And then she's gonna have boning on the insides. I made my own bias loops, so I can put her boning through here.
There's a lot of stuff happening.
I made everything from scratch, and then I put, if you guys are wondering what the black stuff is, this is called interface color.
long hair with coconut every year, like smoking nothing in the air. I open the Lamborghini, hoping them crackers see me. Like, look at that bastard Weezy. He's a beast, he's a dog, he's a motherfucking problem. Okay, you're a goon, but what's a goon to a goblin? Nothing, you ain't scaring nothing. On some faggot bullshit, call him Dennis Rodman. Call me with your own bitch, call me on my side. Gotta answer with it's private. Damn, I hate a shy bitch. Don't you hate a shy bitch? Yeah, I hate a shy bitch. She ain't shy no more, she changed her name to my bitch. Yeah, nigga, that's my bitch. So when she asks for the money, when you
okay, y'all, so this is her dress. I'm just gonna pull it tight so you guys can see the silhouette it's gonna be on her. Okay, so this is the dress, and she has a split, so let me show you guys the split too. But this is her dress, never mind my little ponytail. But yeah, and I am pretty much done with it. I just have to go where you guys can see the black at, up under the little part right there where you can see black at. I'm gonna go and add blue to it. But other than that, this is her dress. No, I ain't got your face in it.
Just like with you and your wife, is the bad sex your biggest problem? Or
Oh, yeah.
your problem's causing the bad sex?
You gotta show off your split too.
Remember, I don't have any friends. I don't have any fun. I only have work. Work
Oh, there's
and it's no coincidence that when the work stops.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut that.
Okay.
Until these two.
Oh, no,
I tend to cut the thread
It wasn't
last.
even attached. It was just a loose piece.
It's a whole bunch of thread on the floor downstairs. So me walking down there with no shoes on. It's so good. Ain't no put shoes on it, and it's good.
She is tearing that thing. Oh. And me on the other hand, I got chicken and bacon. Yeah. Oh, and lemonade. In a glass. She ate all the croutons.
That's the best part of this damn.
I was looking forward to one. Here, give it to me.
Oh my god, this sounds so good.
Hey, excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can we get some croutons on the side? Thank you.
That was good. I got my little stand if you want to put it on there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is little. Guys, ignore me because I don't know what I'm doing here.
This salad was pretty good. I'm even tearing the onions up on this bad boy. That's how you know this shit was good.
And this is her first time going here.
What is this called?
Pies and pints. Y'all don't be trying to steal my restaurant either. Thank you.
The screen flip up.
Well, like this?
No, the screen flips up. So we can
Oh.
see. There we go.
I don't want it to fall off the table. Is it on there? Oh. And I have seasoning packs from Papa John's because it's so good. They don't know about this?
Move your cup out the way.
Oh, we didn't even pray.
God is great. All the time.
Amen.
Amen. All the time. I want some seasoning. Don't be stingy.
Hold on, let me get you your own. No, you can have this one. You don't even know if you're gonna like it. You don't have a choice now.
I know.
Is that a mushroom? Wait, is it bacon on here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see it now.
Not bad.
Not bad. Good. Oh, I was gonna ask you if you want to try one of mine. You don't like it.
Not with that bacon. Make some water. I'm out for that.
I got meat stuck in my tooth.
I keep trying to get Ashley to her boyfriend. We want to go out of town, so she needs to go out of town with me because I want to go out of town.
Let me tell him I got a boyfriend because I got a couple of. I don't know which one. I got this meat stuck in my teeth. Excuse me. You got, the meat stuck in my teeth. His meat stuck in my teeth. You have. They didn't do nothing. Meat.
I've been taking out
I got it out now.
This is better than good bag.
Thank you so much.
Can I have a cup of water, please?
Yeah. Would you like a water too?
Nah.
Oh, I like that lighting too.
Yep.
This table is very wide. Because why are you not in the room? I think you're not supposed
Probably because I gotta scoot up. Oh, sorry. Is that your knee? That's not, oh, that's the pole. I should have told him thick crust.
Yeah, now we both in it.
Huh?
We both in it.
That's funny.
I'm gonna turn that into a boomerang.
That's funny.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm so thirsty.
Hey, one more thing. I'm sorry, I know you're tired.
Wait, what's your name? 'Cause I'm so tired
His
of her
name
calling
Luke.
you
So, it's
A.
okay. It's Luke. Yeah, you got it.
So she keeps calling you A though.
Yeah,
Then
right.
she know your name.
Y'all don't have thick crust?
Thick crust? Well, it's like hand tossed, so it's like it's kind of like in the middle. You know what I mean? Like not too thick, not too thin.
This is thin.
You think so?
Yeah, you can
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Girl, eat the damn pizza.
see. Damn.
Does it taste good?
I like meat on my, I like toast, bread.
I bet you
Right. Gotcha. Well, I'm sorry.
No, that's fine.
she'll be alright.
Gotcha. Cool. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
You like meat.
Yeah,
You wanna go to Vegas?
hated it. No,
Yeah, Houston.
more like it. I just heard it. I'm glad I only got 6 pieces. Kind of full.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna take it home. Tomorrow, we'll be buying a plane ticket to New York. But I wanna go to the beach. I wanna go to New York.
We go to New York with.
This girl named Rhea.
She work at Newport?
I don't know where people work.
Did he give me some water? Is that good?
Man, I'm gonna call you. I wish they made mixtures. I'm saying it like I don't have to go home and take a midterm review.
Exactly.